Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about how to use the upgrade feature inside the membership and how exactly it will work. Suppose you have two courses, basic and advanced course, and one of your customer purchased the basic course, but you want that on the same dashboard. I want to show them advanced course as well, that we have advanced course say available. So in case if he and she want to access that course, then on advanced, you can share them the link of your particular page, upgrade link, that from there they can click on the link, make the payment, and after that they're able to access the course. So now, same thing we have did here in the course area in the basic. This is the basic course I have added here. Same thing in the advanced category, I have added the advanced course. After that, what I did, I go in the pricing settings. I have created two bundles. One is for the basic course where I have added the basic course only, and here I haven't added the advanced course. And now another is the advanced course. There I have added only the advanced course. So right now, what exactly the purpose is. And one more thing, here you have to create the separate sales page, checkout page for the basic one, and the separate sales page and the separate checkout page for the advanced one. And after that, second thing is that you also have to create the different product for both basic and for advanced. Both thing I have done. Advanced product and basic product I have created. After that, let's see it live how it will work. So I am going on the basic. Okay, let's take the sales page URL of the basic here. I will go on the page URL. I will click on this button. Click here to get access. Now, at this particular point in time, I will proceed to provide the essential details, specifically the full name, the electronic mail address, and the primary contact information. Now I click on Complete Order. Okay, so this is the access credentials. So first I will click on this login URL of the dashboard. Here I will add the email ID, so type name. Let's log it out. Password. Okay, so this is the courses available here, basic and advanced. So basic course, you can see I purchased the basic, so I am able to access basic course here. But now I again go into Home tab, and I want to access the advanced course. I am not able to access. You can see here, upgrade the course to access the advanced part. So how quickly I did that. Again, I am coming up on this. First of all, on the basic course, I have come. On the advanced course where I added, I come up on this option of the upgrade. And there I have added the upgrade the course to get access to the advanced part that you can see in the message. The message is visible. Second, access now. Access now is the button. After that, it's the link. In case if I click on this button, I redirect it on the advanced sales page. And that advanced sales page is there I have created. That link I have added there. Now, in case if I want to access this, I click on this Access Now button. Now, same thing I have to do. I click on this button, click here to get access. Now then I give on the name, I give email. Same email you have to give, okay? Then I simply click on Complete Order. So you'll get a message of upgrade here. You can see your course access has been updated. Okay, now I will go and just refresh this course. Right now it is showing like that after purchase. I am able to access the advanced course as well. So this is the way how you can use the upgrade feature available inside the membership.